Truck stuff is what the full-size Chevy Silverado 1500 knows as Monday through Sunday. A 310 horsepower turbo 4-cylinder, 2 V8 engines, and a Duramax turbodiesel with 495 pound-feet of torque occupy the Silverado's wide load of powertrain offerings. While the 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower, crisp steering, and excellent brake pedal feel enables short bouts of Corvette cosplay, the Silverado's sometimes rough ride is enough to quickly shake you from that dream. A conservative interior design with SOSO material quality are offset by an enormous infotainment screen, though that equipment is only available on some trim levels. The Silverado's max towing capacity of 13,300 pounds is ahead of its GMC Sierra 1500 sister pickup and the Ram 1500, but trails behind the Ford F-150. In short, this is a highly competitive pick-em-up. What's new for 2023? While most equipment stays the same for 2023, Chevy does increase the power and torque of its Duramax diesel powertrain. Available for custom Trail Boss, LT, RST, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, and High Country. The updated turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six Duramax gains 28 horsepower and 35 pound-feet of torque for an improved output of 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Chevy says a return turbo, new pistons with a revised combustion bowl, and new fuel injectors have helped give the new diesel more muscle. Pricing and which one to buy. While the base-level work truck and custom trims are well suited for tradespeople and folks on a budget, the LT model is where the fancier interior comes into play, and we think it's the one to get. We'd also configure our Silverado with the crew cab and standard length bed for max cargo and passenger space. We choose the 5.3-liter V8 over the optional diesel engine because it's cheaper and quicker. Unlike the standard Turbo 4, the V8 also lets us select the Z71 off-road package with a host of upgraded hardware that makes playing in the dirt and mud easier and more fun. Engine, transmission, and performance. A range of engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, 2 V8s, and a Duramax diesel 3.0-liter inline-six, means there's a Silverado 1500 for any job or adventure. The 305 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six Duramax now has 495 pound-feet of torque. Every version of the Silverado we've driven felt smaller than its size suggests. The truck's handling is surprisingly agile, and the brake pedal provides firm and reassuring feedback. Those looking for a more rugged half-ton Silverado will appreciate the Trail Boss model. It features a 2.0-inch lift, gnarly tires, and other upgrades that make taking the path less traveled easier and more entertaining. The new ZR2 is the most serious off-roader. Towing and payload capacity. With a max towing capacity of 13,300 pounds, the half-ton Silverado is a seriously capable hauler. It beats the Ram 1500's max tow rating by 550 pounds but trails the F-150's by 700. Chevy's top tow rating is accessible with the 6.2-liter V8, but the 5.3-liter version can still handle as much as 11. 500 pounds models with the turbocharged 4-cylinder can tow up to 9,500 pounds. The Chevy pickup's powertrains matter less when it comes to payload, which ranges from 1,870 to 2,280 pounds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Don't expect the Silverado 1500 to save you money at the fuel pump, but some of its various powertrain options are more efficient than others. The optional diesel is the most economical, with EPA estimates of up to 23 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon. With all-wheel drive, its highway rating drops down to 26 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. From the stripped-down work truck model to the decked-out High Country, the Silverado can be configured in a multitude of ways. Base models offer nothing but the essentials, including manually adjustable front seats, manual locks and windows, and vinyl seats. However, starting on the LT trim, the cabin is significantly snazzier thanks to a handsomer dashboard design with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a huge center touchscreen. The High Country's interior looks particularly pretty with its leather upholstery and open pore-wood trim. While the crew cab has an enormous rear seat with generous headroom, we found the cushions back there to be uncomfortable. Still, this is a practical hauler, featuring clever storage cubbies spread throughout the cabin. While the Chevy lacks the carbon fiber reinforced cargo bed that's offered on the half-ton Sierra, it's now available with a similar multifunction tailgate, dubbed Multiflex. Plus, the Chevy's range of different bed lengths will undoubtedly satisfy traditionalists. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Silverado 1500 is equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a mobile hotspot. The physical knobs and buttons make interacting with the system painless, and we appreciated the screen's prompt responses to our touch inputs. The LT trim and up has a horizontal 13.4-inch touchscreen with enhanced features such as a Google-powered voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And available Amazon Alexa integration. Safety and driver assistance features. Every Silverado comes with an impressive list of standard driver assistance technology, and it can be fitted with a host of towing assists that make pulling and hooking up a trailer easier. The top-tier High Country can even be equipped with Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving technology that Chevy says even works while pulling a trailer. Key safety features include standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, warranty and maintenance coverage. Chevy covers the half-ton Silverado with a competitive warranty that doesn't quite match the lengthy powertrain coverage of the Nissan Titan. However, every Silverado 1500 does get one complimentary scheduled maintenance visit. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles, powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles, and complimentary maintenance is covered for the first visit. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching and subscribe if you enjoyed. Enjoy the rest of the video.